THREEKEY is a 25-watt wireless charger for your phone. Grab your tab and just simply open up. Pull out the packaging and you have your instructions and your wireless charger. You got a USB-C to C braided cable, 3 feet long. And if your car doesn't have a USB-C adapter, they give you one. In the kit, you get some cleaning accessories. And the 2 attachments, the base and the attachments, go over the instructions. It's not easy to open, but takes a couple of tries to open. It's very strong, as you can see. And it is angled. Shape it any way you want. Self-adhesive on the bottom that you're going to stick anywhere your car. This is just the base holder. We have the unit that is fan cooled to cool off your charging needs. It comes with a O-ring made of metal. You simply take the piece that's going to charge your phone and fan and simply place it on to the magnet. It is a very strong piece. With the O-ring magnet washer, goes onto your smartphone where your wireless area is located. You only get one. For additional washers, check online for further detail. And then you simply place your phone on and it'll charge. I have a case, and the case will not hold the phone into place. Plug into your outlet, USB-C to the outlet, USB-C to the unit, while plugged in to the actual base. You can see how strong it is and protected. Peel off all the film, and when placing your phone and finding the location for the magnet for charging, the unit will light up with the blue ring on the unit, and the fan will be spinning as the unit will be charging and show a lightning quick charge. Will work with most cases on the smartphone. For iOS and Android, the Qi2 charger, the THREEKEY charger for your smartphones, Apple 17 down to the 12, and Samsung Galaxy S25 and earlier models. For the car, portable anywhere imaginable. On vacation, for rentals and more, put it on the base, USB-C to C, and with the adapter, 12-volt USB-C. I apologize that our car was not working with the adapter due to a fuse, but we have the smartphone, iPhone 12, and the unit charges with the case. I hope you enjoy your product from THREEKEY.